Welcome back everyone to Pontus Phantom Hobbies. This is our paint through video for the Gold Cloaks from A Song of Ice and Fire tabletop miniature game. Just going through the original minis here. This set comes with 13 miniatures. It says the Gold Cloaks in the bustling city of King's Landing is generally considered to be a safe place to live. The streets are regularly patrolled by the Gold Cloaks, named for their distinctive guard. They can be seen almost everywhere in the city, keeping the peace and ensuring the rule of law as per the king's orders, more specifically a Lannister order. Though technically under the control of the king, with the Lannisters' deep coffers, they often just happen to be absent when any Lannister is breaking up the king's own law, or appear out of nowhere to preserve a Lannister's life or purse. Much the same thing. So yeah, just going through those minis, we'll showcase them here for you guys, and gonna get over to priming and painting them. I'm going to get these out there to spray with a Zenithal Prime. We'll first hit them with a flat black, and then I'm going to Zenithal Prime them with a white. The Song of Ice and Fire box art is really great for these Gold Cloaks, and also the cards. I'm going to use these cards as kind of a reference. Just the color scheme, the yellow cloak, the red under tunic, the metallics, the leather straps, all of the armor pieces. So yeah, looking forward to getting these painted. I'm going to start out with first a flesh tone and hit all the face. I'll probably have to do 2 coats on these because they've got the black prime there. Next, I'll just jump right into a standard yellow. Again, I'll probably do 2 coats of these, but get those yellow coats on the outside. I was wondering to line the inside of the coat as yellow, or then line it with another color. I think I'm going to leave it black just to make the contrast there. What do you guys think about that? first base coat of the flesh and the cloaks is a little thin, but I'm going to move on to doing the reds, and then I'll hit these faces and cloaks a second time, and then I'll also grab the metallics. Got the red done, a quick flyby with these. I'm going to move on to the metallics next. I always find painting the helmets, the swords, the shields, the armor. I always find that pretty satisfying, and it always looks great when you get it painted. But I like the I'm using a chrome silver for this one, and I really like how it's coming out. They look great. I'll also hit the chainmail with it lightly, and then I'm going to throw a Nuln oil into the chainmail to make the dark spots. Yeah, I'm really happy how that armor is coming out. I will hit these with a Nuln oil next, but do some zoom ins on these so you can see what the miniatures look like up close. And I hit the second coats on all of the colors, reds and the capes and the faces. Now I'm going to hit Nuln oil for the chainmail and some flesh shade for the faces. And we'll see how they look in the outro hero shots. Pontos Fathom Hobbies is brought to you by the books that we produce. We've got a bookstore link down in the description. You can check out the Necromancy of Nyarlathotep. You can also check out the Esoteric Dragon Mysteries, Decoding the Dragon in Myth and Occult Traditions. We've got the book that started it all, The Genealogy of Cthulhu, Lost Carcosa and the Yellow Sign, Hermeticism and Pastor. These books are collected 6 volumes in the epic Catu Journals out of Lovecraft's Providence. Thank you guys for making this one our biggest success. And we've also got the Alchemy and Anthroposophy and the Dune Saga. If you like what we're doing on the channel, you can like and subscribe. You can also join our Patreon and stay across all of our A Song of Ice and Fire miniature painting, gameplay. We're also playing Tainted Grail. We're playing Conan by Monolith, Joan of Arc, Eldritch Horror, lots of classic out there. So thank you for your support, and thanks to all our Patreon members and our subscribers. Now back to our video. Really happy how these guys came out. I'll show you guys hero shots for all the finished minis. Guys, like and subscribe. We'll get these on the game board, and we'll see you at the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the other side of the hero shots. thank you all for making it to the end of the video. I think these look great. Can't wait to get them on the board. We'll have a Lannister. I'm thinking like a Greyjoy Lannister might be fun. Leave a comment down below who you want to see the gold cloaks go up against. Like and subscribe. You ring the bell, you get notified when we do the gameplay, and we'll talk to you soon.